Hello, my name is Satrio Susilon Pro, name 202111320 from the Faculty of Economic and Business Management Study Program, Mulia Kudus University. Here I will retell about the journal, the effect of YouTube media of online review visualization and trust on intention to buy smartphone. Abstract. the increasing competition among the smartphone brand in Indonesia has turned most of the people to obtain an accurate information in order to choose the right product smartphone. Influence the consumer attitude toward the brand and the purchase intention. The result of the study are expected to profit contribution for the smartphone product producer in defining the direction of their company strategy from the perspective of the customer in performing online shopping activities. The data analysis the research has run by using the in the same time. Survey payment of Western distribution carried out toward the respond who used to perform transaction. The job online sheet. Finally, this research found that visualizing online review and trust have positive impact on customer smartphone purchase intentions of customer top YouTube channel. Introduction. The number of cellphone users in Indonesia has been increasing, and the same time the development of internet technology in Indonesia has been increased active. The Indonesian society, which has been dominated by the young generation, make the internet easy to penetrate the life of the society, and since the internet has been more and more popular among the young generation. Certainly, such easy penetration by internet should be an opportunity for the internet industry to keep thriving in the incoming year. Looking at the promised development, set named Daily Social has launched several reports on the internet market in Indonesia until the end of last year. The increasing competition among the smartphone brand in Indonesia has turned most the people to gain an accurate information in order to choose the right product smartphone. So thus the smartphone with specific meet the need and the financial condition of the user will be the main preference. With regard to the smartphone and also the increasing use of YouTube on of the smartphone that have been with the review of over the website is Samsung. Being a company of main technology is more than providing the product and interesting service. Samsung has been the great manufacturer of smartphone with various price range the result of a study toward the brand so that Samsung has been very successful in the market because the millennial generation of Indonesia has identified of company as the most trustworthy brand. Thus, it made the implicit that brand trust may stable to expectation that other party will act in according to the net and the desire of the consumer. When an individual has trust one specific brand, they are they are the they are civil belief that the expression will will be met and disable will the complete demise. Several previous research focus and identify the factor that influence the customer intent in online shop before behavior. Most of the research adopt the technology acceptance model in prediction factor that influencing the customer in online shopping behavior, particular in gadget product. Literature review. In this chapter, the research will like to review the underlying theories for the conduct of the study and also to develop of hypothesis and the framework for the conduct of the study. The theories that will be reviewed within the product of the study are related to theory of research framework may be considered in the following section. Purchase intention. Purchase intention is part of behavior component within the consumption behavior the river. It might also be dependent that purchase intention refer to the state in which the customer share their preference among the available alternative that have been closer into alternative seat and finally purchase an alternative that the summer like most. Oh, visualization. Visualization can also be considered as from the communication with the visual lead has been the main power that is visible and manipulated for developing message that have certain impression, uh, meaning intention. Online review. Online review by customer make the difference as the result of product evaluation that has been downloaded by the company set of the third party sheet. Online review makes sure as information share of the customer in helping them to purchase the giving that are giving product or service. Trust. Trust refer to the belief in with an individual will attend some something that they are expect from another individual. Trust cover that willing of the individual to display certain behavior to believe that his or partner partner will meet his expectation and the expectation that an individual generation hope implies that the word the promise of the statement of an individual are trustworthy. Trust in is also the foundation of any business. Hypothesis development. After generating the theories that might support the conduct of the study, the research was like to defend the hypothesis that will be further in investigated within the study. Method 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 to the company the empirical study has carried out in Indonesia cosmetic industry, looking at the characteristic of the existing population and the purpose of this study. The sampling technique in study is purchase sampling, which is the determination of respondent from the population with certain criteria. The target population for the study was region resident live in DKI Jakarta. Sample selection was a result of the purpose method, determining the number of representative minimum samples depend of the number of indicator multiplied. Result and discussion. The component variant based in structure equation modeling is an alternative of the covariance-based structural equation modeling. This component variance-based structural equation modeling is also known as partial least square. This method is intended to perform the causal predictive analysis within the situation of high complexity and low theoretical support in line with the intention. The aim of is to find the prediction linear variable among the variable, the prediction that should be proposed for meeting the assumption of the variant based become the claim for the variance based modeling, but within the data gathering process and within the data processing payment of smart. Discussion. The first hypothesis states that there is positive and significant influence in the relationship between visualization of purchasing intentions that significant with a statistic value of 2024. The second hypothesis states there is a positive and significant influence in the relationship between online consumer review on purchasing intention is significant with the statistic value. Conclusion. Recommendation. The visualization in gadget channel has positive impact on purchase intention consumer in buying smartphone. According the product of smartphone has to design the best visualization of the product to gadget in channel, because consumer use YouTube as the preference before the make and decision to purchase smartphone. Moreover, the finding of the This research show that the online review gadgeting channel has positive impact on purchase intention to smartphone of consumer. Thus, the product of smartphone have to display the best information about the smartphone product in order to get the best review because it will attract consumer to buy the smartphone. Trust also the has positive and significant impact on purchase intention smartphone of consumer to gadgeting channel. The, in, the inflection of this finding is the product of smartphone have to use gadgeting channel to promote the product because the consumer trust review product from gadgeting channel. Finally, for the future research, this research can be used and addition information technology and is be used as result for further research. Moreover, for the future research, we recommend trust to be employed mediator in relationship between online review and purchase intention. Also there are still many variable outside this study that influence purchase intention, such as endorsement, life festival, and product design. Okay, thank you.